Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8. We will present you SL5. My group member is Brenda Edward, Nur Sofia Arisha binti Hairi Azlan, Muhammad Syahid Naim bin Alias, and me, Muhammad Aizat bin Abu Bakar. So our question is, the program allow a credit manager to obtain list of customers with zero balance. That is, customer who do not own any money, customer with credit balance, that is customer to whom the company owes money, and customer with debit balance. That is customer who earn the company money for goods and service reserve. A credit balance is a negative amount. A debit balance is a positive amount. The program display a menu and allow the credit manager to enter one of four options. Option 1, process a list of account with zero balance. Option 2, produce a list of account with credit balance. Option 3, produce list of account with debit balance. Option 4, terminate program execution. So,
Okay, so I will be explaining about coding. Me and my friends here, Sophia, will explain the code. So in this project, we'll be using the hashtag include stdio.h as our header file to include input or output of the related function in our programs. We will be using certain functions such as printf and scanf, so this header is the most suitable to be used in our source code. To begin this, we start with a struct or known as structures to define a data type and create variables of this type. For example, a char array of size 10 for their name and integer for their balance. Second, we need our function to return some integer at the end of the execution, and we do so by returning 0 at the end of our program. So we will use int main, then put curly bracket before declaring variables inside our main function. Our variable here is integer n, choice, which is equal to 0, and I. As a credit manager, we want to input the total of listed customers in our programs. So we will print out a statement about numbers of customers. That would be printf number of customers. After we input the number of customers, we will use scanf function to read the input as n. We add structures customers and an array size of n for C. We will use for loop here with condition of I equal to 0, I is less than n, and I is increasing. Another curly bracket will be used, and this time we want to input customers' data such as name and balance. So we printf a statement saying enter customer name and balance. Then we scan both name and balance as our input. The question asks to create a program that display a menu and allows the credit manager to enter one of the four options, but not the fourth option, since the fourth one wants us to exit the program. We will use while loop that stated while choice is not equal to 4, then ask the program to print out statement, choose one of four options. Then we put escape sequence to put the next statement into the new line for each option as shown here. We put numbering for each option so it is easy for the manager to choose the option. Then we scan F or read the choices the manager choose as CH. I will pass this to my friend Sophia to continue the explanation.
Mike.
I'm so sorry. Okay, for this credit inquiry system, we need four options. So we divide this credit inquiry system into four cases. So for the case one, the account with zero balance. For the case two, the account with credit balance. Case three, the account with debit balance. And case four, exit the system. So for case one, um, we will use the switch and bracket statement. So we ask the program to print out the customer with zero balance. So we use printf customer with zero balance, and for I equal to 0, I less than n and I is increasing. So then we use the loop if. So then we ask the program to printf customer name and the balance with the breaks for the case 2. So the case 2 basically is just like the same as the case 1, just we need to print f the customer with the credit balance. Then for the case 3 is also the same, just we need to print f the customer with debit balance. So for the case 4, we need to exit the program with the break return 0. So next I will pass to Shaheen to run this program.
All right. So thank you to Brenda and Sophia for the explanation of the coding. So next, I will run the coding now. So let's. All right. So we have decided to put 20 customers for this program. So I will put 20. According to the name, first I would like to put Bong with the balance of 128. The next one, Sarah, with zero balance. And then Shaheen with negative 561. And then Naim with zero balance. And then Nur with 469 balance. And then Sophia with 34 balance. And then Arisha with 12 balance. And then Chop got zero balance. And then Brenda got 284. And then Edward got negative 55. And then Muhammad got zero balance. And Aizat got 1,500, while Azlan got 110. And then Hairi got 87. And then Abu got negative 1,050. And Bakar got negative 55. And then Ali got negative 76. The next one, Rahman got negative 8, the balance. And then Siddiq got 90. And the last one, Awang got 500 balance. So next, we will choose one of the four options. So the first one, we choose the accounts with zero balance. And then let's see. So the name appear here, the customer name. First, Sarah. The second one is Naim. The third one, Chop. And the last one will be Muhammad. And then next, we choose for the second one, the account with credit balance. So it's appear Shaheen with negative 561, Edward with negative 55, Abu with negative 1,050, Bakar with negative 55, and then Ali with negative 76, and Rahman with negative 8. And the last one will be the account with debit balance. So as we can see, the Bong got 1,128, Nur got 469, Sophia got 34, Arisha got 12, Brenda got 284, and then Isaac got 1,500, Azlan got 110, Hairi got 87, Siddiq got 90, and Awang got 500. And for the last one, we do the execution for this programming. So that's all from us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.